I was I went so after school I have like fucking snowed everywhere. While my aunt just picked me up and we were just trying to go home and buzz fucking ice. Well, um, uh, you know, you know what this ice kind of reminds me of? I do. It's fucking sperm. Yeah, fucking sperm. Um, yeah. Bunch of fucking ice slash sperm been flying over it. I don't know who did it, but someone must been on the sky, have been blowing a fucking load everywhere. Look at it. Look. See? Fucking little fucking sperms. Yep. See little white stuff, everybody? It's a bunch of little sperms. So, yep. Can you guys see it? Yep, I think, shit. I think it's kind of a little blurry. Fuck. I think you guys can see it. Yeah, look at it. Bunch of little sperms everywhere. Yep. It went over my clothes and shit. Look at what I'm carrying. A fucking goddamn little piece of sperm. I have nothing to say, everybody. The only thing I say is, sperm. Ice looks like fucking ass sperm when you just bust in a load. This talking has just been recorded. This video was made in... fuck it. I'm in this video. Bye, everybody. Is all I can get for you. So, yeah.